Welcome to an exciting journey into Minecraft coding with MakeCode Python. Today we're following the incredible work of 10-year-old Ivan, who will code a stunning 3-layer glass modern house. Using nearly 1,000 lines of Python, he's bringing his ideas to life, showing us the true power of creativity and technology. MinecraftEducation, a powerful STEM learning tool. Minecraft isn't just a game, it's a gateway to learning. Through MinecraftEducation Edition, students can explore topics like coding, engineering, mathematics, and problem solving, all while playing. By writing Python code in MakeCode, Ivan is proving that coding can be fun, engaging, and accessible even for kids. Building a masterpiece with code. Ivan begins by laying the foundation with white concrete, creating a sleek and contemporary base for his modern house. Unlike quartz, which has a slightly textured and polished look, white concrete of. Instead of manually placing each block, he writes a loop in Python, automating the construction process. This makes building faster, smarter, and more efficient. Next comes the first layer, complete with large glass windows, allowing plenty of natural light into the house. Using precise coordinates, he carefully positions each element in the code, ensuring the design is symmetrical and visually stunning. Now, onto the second layer, where Ivan crafts an elegant library, a space designed for both learning and relaxation. Coding enhances creativity. Programming isn't just about numbers and commands, it's a form of art. With Minecraft and Python, Ivan can experiment with different materials, shapes, and architectural styles. He moves to the third layer, where a uniquely designed rooftop completes the modern aesthetic. In just minutes, his 3-layer glass house is ready, all powered by Python code. Why STEM and coding matter? MinecraftEducation Edition helps students develop critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and creativity. Learning Python at an early age opens doors to future careers in robotics, engineering, artificial intelligence, and game development. By practicing coding in Minecraft, kids gain hands-on experience with logic, loops, functions, and algorithms, essential skills in today's digital world. Join the coding revolution. Would you like to build your own world with Python? It's easier than you think. Open MakeCode, start scripting, and watch your creations come to life. Experiment with different materials, adjust designs, and challenge yourself to create even more advanced structures. Minecraft plus coding equals endless possibilities for innovation and learning. Ivan has shown us that age doesn't limit talent. Anyone can be a great coder. Final thoughts. Creativity and logic come together in MinecraftEducation Edition, making learning interactive, engaging, and fun. Are you ready to start your coding journey? Let's create, explore, and innovate together. Are you ready to start your coding journey? Let's create, explore, and innovate together. Thanks for watching. Keep coding, keep building, and keep dreaming.